What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick little experiment with the exhaust tip. Right now, as you guys saw, that's how it's sitting right now. And what I actually want to do, since we already have the sounds to compare this to a dumped tip. Basically, I want to remove this section right here. That's right here. I want to remove that section and then put the tip basically just over here, dumped down into the ground. It's going to be kind of where this angle is. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's going to be basically right at this section, kind of dumped down right here. And I'm curious how that's going to sound. I'm almost thinking that's going to sound a lot better because the sound is going to pretty much bounce off the ground, and instead of hearing the exhaust really well when you're driving by a wall, I think it's going to sound pretty good all the time. What do you guys think? Should I try it? Of course we're going to try it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this section and then put the tip on that section on top, and then we're going to go and see how that sounds and compare with the side tip pointing out to the side. Alright, let's get this done. Let's go. Well, I'll tell you one thing, that wasn't easy. Okay. So we're gonna put the tip on here and get this out of here. All that work for a silly experiment, right? The things we do for YouTube. Alright, so there's that. Looks pretty good, I guess. Alright, now let's see how she sounds on startup compared to this with the side exhaust. And then we're gonna do some takeoffs, drive-bys, and see how that sounds like. Well, so far I love it. So far sounds good. Let's go for a drive inside. Now let's try it with the windows closed. See if it sounds like stock. It actually sounds a lot better with the windows closed, dumped, than not being dumped. So it sounds like you actually have exhaust. Whereas before, when the exhaust was to the side, then it sounded pretty much like stock. So, I mean, that's good already, right? Because you want to hear inside what's going on, even when the windows are closed, not just open. If it's cold, you still want to hear your exhaust. So far I'm pretty happy. Let's open the back windows. Let's see how it sounds with the back windows open and the front ones closed. So far, I love the dumped little mod. That way the sound kind of spreads out everywhere, not just to the one side. So it bounces up the ground, spreads out left, right, front, back, and into the cab as well. the freeway going 60, it's pretty nice. I mean, you can hear that you have some kind of exhaust underneath there. So it's not like it's loud, but it gets better when you step on it and you hear the exhaust. It sounds pretty good. All right, I'm gonna get home and we're gonna recap. All right, see you in a few. All right, and the ride is finished, and honestly, I like it a lot better with dumped. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna leave it dumped for now, just because personally I enjoy driving it a little bit more. You're shifting more, and you hear the exhaust more, and it's pretty cool. I actually like it quite a bit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, the comparison of the two different exhausts. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!